Hey there, welcome to Creality Cloud. I'm Kevin, and I'm here to be your guide as we uncover the incredible features of Creality Cloud. From setting up your account to getting your first print and unleashing your creative potential, we've got every step covered. Wondering how Creality Cloud can revolutionize your 3D printing experience? Let's get started. First off, what is Creality Cloud? Creality Cloud is an all-in-one 3D printing platform, which is brought to you by Creality 3D, a pioneering force in the world of 3D printing. Within Creality Cloud, you'll discover a wealth of powerful features, including 3D model trading, cloud-based slicing, real-time printing monitoring, remote printer control, and more. Imagine having the power to create, control, and innovate all in one place. That's precisely what Creality Cloud has in store for you. Wave goodbye to old 3D printing problems, because Creality Cloud is here to change the game. Let's begin the transformation of your 3D printing adventure. Now, let's explore the layout of Creality Cloud. Creality Cloud is compatible with all your devices, whether you prefer the convenience of your computer's web interface or the mobility of the mobile app. For the purpose of this illustration, we'll focus on the web version. Starting with the navigation bar, you'll discover a wealth of resources at your fingertips. The Models section houses an extensive collection of categorized 3D models, including premium and discount options. Adjacent to the Models tab, you'll find Collections, which showcases high-quality STL files crafted by talented 3D creators, as well as exclusive models available only on Creality Cloud. Moving along, the Software and Firmware section provides access to app downloads, slicer downloads, and Creality printer firmware updates, ensuring your printing experience stays cutting edge. Continuing our exploration, you'll encounter sections for products, community, and various other functions such as maker tools, blog posts, all crafted to enrich your overall experience. It's worth noting that the user interface remains consistent on the mobile app, allowing for seamless navigation. In the upcoming segments, I'll delve into each of these features individually. To make the most of this guide, you can start by creating an account and logging in. Upon logging in, your first stop will be the Workbench, a dynamic dashboard displaying all your active printing projects and the printers currently connected to your account. A single click on your avatar will transport you to the profile page, granting you access to your purchased models, slices, and various other features. Now, if you're eager to dive into printing monitoring and remote printer control, you'll need to connect a printer to your account. Please note that adding a printer can only be done within the app, which can be obtained from your App Store. Or you can scan this QR code to download it directly. After getting the app, you can then log in and follow these steps. 1. Navigate to the Workbench and click on the plus icon in the upper right corner. 2. Choose your printer and follow the provided process guide. Once you've completed these steps, your connected devices will appear in your Workbench and be ready for printing. After setting up your account and connecting your printers, let's dive into the possibilities offered by Creality Cloud. The very first feature you can explore is the 3D model library. In the realm of Creality Cloud, a vast collection of models is available for your use. You can access the library through Models or Collections via the top navigation bar. Within the Models section, you'll encounter diverse categories, including premium and discounted models, as well as specific themes like characters and animals, allowing you to explore according to your preferences. One noteworthy feature to highlight is that you can also discover 3D printer mods and upgrades within the 3D printer category. Creality Cloud is not just a treasure trove of options, it's also a dynamic 3D printable model marketplace, enabling you to both purchase and sell your models. Within Creality Cloud, numerous models are accessible without charge, allowing you to download or slice them directly. However, some premium models may require credits for access. If you've set your sights on a model that requires credits, simply click Buy Now and follow the straightforward process. 100 credits is roughly equal to 99 cents. Once you've completed the purchase, you'll follow the same steps as with the free models. Once you've secured your printable model files, the next step is slicing and printing. Creality Cloud simplifies this procedure for you. It offers a built-in slicer that streamlines the model preparation for printing with just a few clicks. By selecting Batch Slice, you'll access the built-in slicer and configure the necessary specifications. Creality Cloud slicers enable you to slice multiple files simultaneously, enhancing efficiency. Once the model is sliced, you can choose one of the printers you've previously connected to and begin the printing process. By utilizing Creality Cloud's built-in slicer, you can eliminate the need for frequent uploads and downloads from various platforms, ultimately saving both time and your patience. However, if you already have a pre-sliced model, Creality Cloud also supports the upload of your own sliced files. While your creation takes shape, you can keep a watchful eye on the process via your smartphone, utilizing the real-time monitoring feature on Creality Cloud. Also, Creality Cloud allows you to remotely monitor and control your 3D printer from anywhere. That means you can start, pause, or check on your prints even when you're not at home. Also, Creality Cloud is equipped with Print AI detection, which helps you to keep a close eye on your printing progress in real time and receives timely notifications or even automatic pause or stop print if any irregularities are detected. Plus, if you're aiming to boost efficiency, you can effortlessly control multiple printers. For every aspect of the printing process, Creality Cloud has you covered, making your 3D printing experience as smooth as can be. Now, let's explore the significant role of software and firmware within the Creality Cloud ecosystem. Here, you'll discover an abundance of 3D printer resources, including essential software tools like slicers, Batch Upload Models tool, and more. Plus, don't forget the critical firmware. Here you can access firmware updates for most Creality printers, including terminal firmware updates. Furthermore, by utilizing open source plugins such as Cura or Octoprint, you can harness the impressive capabilities offered by these external tools. Now, let's delve into the products section, your one-stop destination for all things you need for 3D printing. Here, you'll discover a comprehensive range of offerings from Creality printers and filaments to essential spare parts. Everything you require for your 3D printing journey, just a click away. Here's a handy tip. The products section is more than just an assembly of product showcases. Think of it as your digital manual or printer resource hub. When you navigate to the products detail page, you can access various valuable resources. This includes downloading the product manual, reviewing printer specifications, getting software and firmware documents, and finding models and slices tailored for that specific printer. Additionally, the support and service section is packed with after-sale videos that can assist you in resolving common printer issues. Having these details on hand will make your printing experience super smooth. In addition to its impressive array of features, Creality Cloud also shines as a thriving online hub for 3D printing enthusiasts. Join the Creality Cloud community, where you can interact with fellow makers, exchange your creations, and draw inspiration from their remarkable projects. Having already acquainted ourselves with the powerful features behind Creality Cloud, let's now explore how we can release our creativity with this platform. First comes the Makers tool. Explore the creative side of Creality Cloud with a range of tools to design your very own custom models. From pen holders to lithophane makers and more, the possibilities are at your fingertips. Here's something truly exciting. Creality Cloud hosts engaging 3D modeling contests with a chance to win some impressive prizes. But that's not all. You'll also find a treasure trove of fantastic ideas on the same topic. It's a dynamic platform where sharing and winning go hand in hand. So be sure not to miss out on the action. Here's another fantastic gem you definitely don't want to miss. the gift shop. The gift shop allows you to exchange your Kuva coins for amazing gifts, including filament. You can earn Kuva coins by completing tasks in your mission center. You can also unlock premium features with CrealityCloud's premium plans. Upgrade today to access exclusive free models, faster download speeds, and 27 additional benefits, elevating your 3D printing experience to new heights. We've created a help hub to enhance your CrealityCloud experience, offering a comprehensive resource where you can discover solutions to frequently asked questions. If you don't find the solution you're looking for, simply click on Customer Service to submit your questions. Our dedicated support team will get back to you promptly with the assistance you need. Engaging with our community can also be a valuable approach. You can post your queries within the community to seek assistance from fellow 3D enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in to this introduction to Creality Cloud. We're just scratching the surface of what this platform can do. In our next videos, we'll explore its features in detail and show you how to get started with Creality Cloud. If you have any questions or want us to cover specific aspects of 3D printing or Creality Cloud, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy printing!